How you going, guys? Hope it didn't scare. Yeah, kind of do actually. Welcome to... no. That was start again. Hey going, guys, Steve here from Australian 4x4 Adventures again. I keep mucking up that name. Today, maybe a new segment, I don't know. This may continue, may not, I don't know. If you guys like it, then I'll keep doing it. If not, then I won't. So, 2-minute Tech Tuesday. So, what I'm thinking today is my 200 series. There's so much technology in these damn things. They're annoying, actually. I'm just going to run through the really basics. So, like, how to put low range, how to put the center diff lock in, the turn assist, the ascent control, descent control, all that sort of stuff. Just gonna run through that. So let's go. So first things first, you need your car running. Who would have thunk? So start your car. Mine's already going, so I don't have to. Then, alright, so for low range, we'll start with that one first. So that would be this dial right here. So you have to put it in neutral to start with. Press down, turn to the right, thing comes up on the dash. You're now in low range. So you put it in, let's see, and go to first gear, and you're in first gear low range. That's no brake, no accelerator, just crawling along slowly. So yeah, from there to go into, we'll go downhill ascent, shall we? So neutral again, turn it on, so you press the button, which is that one there, press it, as you press it, that all pops up on the dash there. You can set the speed, so you can go as slow as you want, next up, all the way up to as fast. So we'll go second up, shall we? From there, put it in gear, put it in first, foot off the brake, a whole bunch of clunking and banging, blah blah blah, and all of a sudden you are full driving and it's doing it for you. So you're heading down the hill, feet are completely off the pedal, not doing a thing. Let's try a bit slower, shall we? See how that works. It's a bit rough. And I'm not sure if it's steep enough for this slowness. So we'll go as fast as we can. So it's actually accelerating for me now, keeping me at that speed. Same thing, feet off the pedals. It's all working quite nicely. So what I might do, down here, looks like there's a bit of an opening. Let's see if I can, I'll set up the camera outside, I'll do the turn assist, maybe around the tree there, and then we'll do the ascent control back up the hill. Turn this off, by the way, just touch the brake pedal, that'll stop it, and press the button, turns off. Nice and easy. Turn assist, see how that goes. Probably won't make it one go because it's a bit tight around here, but see how we go. So same thing, neutral, turn that on, that comes up on the dash, then you press the turn assist button, that pops up, which is just that button there, put it in first, lock the steering wheel, and by rights, I think it's happening. Just going to reverse up a bit. Maybe a bit too close. So that's the car doing everything for me. All I'm doing is steering. It's not bad. the ones that clunking and banging. They're a bit weird like that. I'll go grab the camera and I'll do the ascent. So same thing again. This one is, so essentially turn the control on again. Pops up on the dash. We don't need to turn the turner system because we're not going to. I'll set it at mid-range again, so just third one up for the speed. I think you can just put it in drive. We'll find out, shall we? Yeah, there you go. So it's not doing a damn thing. And we're driving up a hill. All I've got to do is steer. It's not a steep hill, but it's only for demonstration purposes, just so people understand what's going on. Also, with this one, you can actually have your centre diff lock on. So centre diff lock is this button down here on your right there. So all you do is press that. Comes up on your dash there saying the centre diff lock is engaged. Essentially what that does is locks your transfer case in to give you equal power to front and back differentials.